Our next example is 5/9 divided by 2/3. Here we have 5 divided by 2, which isn't very simple, even though 9 divided by 3 is a lot easier. So we need to multiply by its reciprocal. So we keep the first number the same, we change the operation to its inverse, which is multiplication, and flip the second number to its reciprocal. So now we have 5/9 times 3/2. So we can first try to cross simplify. 5 and 2 are both prime, so they cannot be simplified. However, 3 and 9 both have 3 in common. So we can say 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now we multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. So the answer to 5/9 divided by 2/3 is 5/6. Our next example is a mixed number. We have 17 and 1/2 divided by 1 and 2/5. First, we need to turn our mixed number into an improper fraction. So we take our 2, our denominator, multiply by the whole number, which is 34, and then our product is added to the numerator, giving us a numerator of 35, and we keep our original denominator the same. Next, we work on 1 and 2/5. We take our denominator and multiply by the whole number. 5 times 1 is 5, and that product will be added to the numerator, giving us 5 plus 2 is 7, and we keep our original denominator. Now we have 35 divided by 7, and 35 divided by 7 is fairly easy to do, but 2 divided by 5 is not quite as easy, so we need to multiply by its reciprocal. So we keep the first number, change to the inverse, and flip to its reciprocal. So we have 35 over 2 times 5/7. Now we need to cross simplify. First, I look at my 35 and 7. They are both divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 35 divided by 7 is 5. Now I look at my 2 and 5, and they are both prime, so we cannot simplify 2 or 5 any further. So now we multiply. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 times 1 is 2. We have a mixed number, 25 over 2, an improper fraction, 25 over 2. But we did not start with an improper fraction, we started with mixed numbers, so we need to divide. 25 divided by 2. When we do this, 2 goes into 2 once, and then 2 goes into 5 twice, leaving us with 1 left over. This leftover 1 will not become a decimal because we did not start with a decimal. This leftover 1 is part of the whole amount. So we have 12 and 1/2, each of those groups.